Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video we are going to see how we can implement horizontal list view. Let's replace this container with list view. Now let's add list of widgets as children. I am adding build card multiple times. It will build same container box with index number. Here you can see one vertical list. Let's change scroll direction, pass axis dot horizontal. Now you can see scroll direction of list view is changed. Let's add one more tile. Also let's add separator. Let's save this. Now we can see we have horizontal list with separator. Also we can set its height with wrapping list view inside size box. Now you can see we have one horizontal list view. We can use list view builder to do this dynamically. Let's change list view to list view builder. Inside builder we have to pass item count. I am passing 10. Inside list view builder we have to pass item builder with parameter context and index and return our build card function with index value. As you can see, list view builder created horizontal list. We can also use list view dot separated to create list view with separator. Let's add separator builder same as item builder with context and index. And we can pass our separator function as for separating the item card. Now you can see we have a horizontal list view with separator. That's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.